Hello. Welcome back to TerryMelissaKitchen. Today I will be making rotisserie chicken for the first time in my air fryer and rotisserie oven. I'll be using this 3.5 pounds whole chicken, but first I'm going to clean it up to my liking. And after I take off the excess fat and skin, I'm going to wash it with vinegar and lemon. These are all the seasoning that I'm going to use to season my chicken. And after I wash my chicken, I'm going to be drying it with a paper towel just to get the excess water off, so the seasoning can stick to it while marinating. Now I'm going to be cutting up the garlic, bell pepper, ginger, Scotch bonnet pepper, and the thyme to stuff my chicken with. And after I stuff my chicken, I'm going to be putting all the dry seasoning on the chicken. I'll put the measurements in the description box. And then you just rub it in, cover it, and let it marinate overnight in the fridge. And this is what it looks like after I marinated it overnight. I'm going to let it cook for 1 hour on 435 Fahrenheit or until the thickest part of the thigh reaches 165 Fahrenheit. So guys, I didn't have any more kitchen twine or string to sew the stuffings in, so it all falls out. Yep, epic fail. But I've never seen anyone stuff rotisserie chicken before. But if you know me, you know I like to do things differently. Yep, that is me. "40 minutes later, and this is what it looks like. 20 more minutes and it's all done. OMG guys, look at this chicken. Oh my goodness, yummy, yummy, yummy. Check the description box for the recipe and see you in my next video. Bye.